Well, hello, YouTubers. Hey, I didn't quite make it to get set up for live streaming. However, I am able to make a video of my screen print and kind of carry on with my screen random comment picker. So let's get ready and struggle through this. Bear with me. I'm going to do the best I can. This is the first I've ever done of this, and I'm going to make it work. And sorry, you can just leave a comment. We won't be live, of course, but you can leave your comments and I'll answer all of them I can afterwards. But please bear with me and let's get a random name picked. As I said in my giveaway, we had several comments last week, and all you had to do in the comments was leave a word in a sentence that I gave you somewhere in the content of that video, and the word happened to be chocolate. Now, I'm going to show you what I do step by step on this screen, and for those, I didn't really notice any, but the software here, as you can see right here, it says unique author. And what happens there is that prevents whoever might have come in and made 10 comments at different days and times with the word chocolate in a comment, just to have 10 more entries than somebody else. This unique author assures that everyone just gets one shot at it, one chance in the draw here at the random with the random picker. Now this is a YouTube random picker, as you can see up the top here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first explain to you. I did say in the video that the winner was going to get a choice, make a choice out of 5 different walking sticks that I have in this picture right here. You see number 1 is this one, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. The winner, just look those over and see which one you would like to have and let me know in an email. You'll have 5 days to respond, all the way up to Friday midnight. After midnight, if the winner has sent me an email by that time and chosen a stick, include your address so I'll know who to mail it to, and at that time the contest or the giveaway will be over, and I will announce that in my next video. But let's say, for instance, that there's a name picked today, and I announce that at the end of this video, and up to Friday night at midnight I don't hear from that person. Then that person's name is thrown out of the hat, and I'll have another drawing the next Saturday, then at 4 o'clock the next day, and we'll pick another winner, and then that winner chosen will have the same picture to choose from, and you'll have till next Friday to get a hold of me, include the address and all that. We can't wait forever to mail these things, and we don't want a name to be lost. I want to absolutely give a walking stick away to some lucky subscriber, and I appreciate every one of you. I wish I could give every one of you a walking stick, however that would be kind of impossible. So we're going to give one away for the 5,000 subscribers, and thank you very much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd like you to subscribe right now, because we're going to have future giveaways of this magnitude at least. And as I said in the video, if you live outside the continental United States, and that includes Alaska and Hawaii, if Alaskan or Hawaiian name is chosen out of the random picker, I will ship them a walking stick. However, if you don't like any of these walking sticks and would rather have $100 sent to you instead, let me know in that email, and I'll send you $100 in lieu of a walking stick. The walking stick outside the United States is very expensive to ship, and that's the reason I didn't include outside the United States. If you're outside the continental United States or Alaska or Hawaii, and I'm including Canada too, by the way. I failed to mention that. Canada can have a walking stick if they so desire. But anybody can choose $100 if they would rather have that than a walking stick. But if you're outside Canada or the Americas, you get, just $100. You don't have a choice of a walking stick because it's too cost prohibitive to mail it outside the United States. It can cost upwards of $200 to ship to another country. So I just can't do that. The sticks are valued at right at $100, so to be fair about it, I have a lot of friends in Australia, New Zealand, England, Germany, all over. I don't care where it is. I'll send that $100 cash to whoever wins it. So let's get on with it now. I think I've probably explained that well enough. And let's see what happens here. Now I'm going to get this out of the way here for a little bit. And I'm going to click Unique Author right here. And then we'll go to, you'll see Advanced Options would turn this on. It's already on. So I'm going to type the word CHOCOLATE, chocolate. That will be the word that it looks for in the comments. Sorry if you didn't mention chocolate in the comment, then your comment won't be. See, we got 152 comments in there, maybe more at the time of this drawing, but it will go out at the time of this drawing and pick a comment. I assure you, you've been entered into that. If you were a latecomer and just say at 3 o'clock you posted a comment and mentioned the word chocolate, your name is going to be in the hat. So now let's just pick a winner and see what happens. All I have to do is click this and we'll watch it go through the picks right here. It's going across and you can see it. The little blue tab is running across the screen now, and it has come up with, let's get that on. It says Farstorm 78, what is that? Farstorm 78583 is the name of the YouTube subscriber that got it, and he said in his sentence that I prefer walking sticks made with darker wood. The darker woods almost seem like dark chocolate. He used that word in a sentence, and we've captured that. I've just found out that Farstorm, the last random one that was picked, is not a subscriber, and I stated plainly that you had to be a subscriber to my channel to be eligible for the 5,000 subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, obviously you're not one of the 5,000 and do not qualify. So here we go again. We're going to pick another number right here. You see the chocolate, the unique author is back on, and let's pick another winner. There it is. And the winner is Mike Sears 3990. And he commented 5 days ago Another cool project. That walking stick is about as close to chocolate as my diet will let me get. Well done, sir. Thank you, Mike, for those kind words, and I will now go check to see if Mike is a subscriber, and if he is, we will just carry right on. Mike, I've just checked things out and found that you are a subscriber, and congratulations. You have won a walking stick by making a comment and mention the word chocolate. There'll be future walking stick giveaways, and they'll be coming soon because I am fast approaching 10,000 subscribers now, and I may even give a walking stick away at 7,500. But I'm not sure about that yet. That'll be announced in a future video. Now, Mike, first thing I want to do is get a drawing out here, if I can find it. Right there it is. Now, you'll see 5 sticks here, and that's your 5 choices. I want you to pick out one of these sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of your choice, and they'll range between 54, 55 to 58 inches long. My longest walking stick that I've made is 58 inches. Due to shipping, I try to keep the length under 60 inches because the cost, even in the United States, goes up. It doubles if you go past 60 inches. So, Mike, you can look for a email in this description, on this video, in the description, and you'll have, let's see, would it be 5 days, 6 days? I don't know. Friday night at midnight. This coming Friday night at midnight. You will have until then to contact me, and in that email, give me your mailing address, where to mail that stick to, and that stick will be on its way to your house, absolutely no cost. And I sincerely hope I hear from you. But if I don't, after midnight Friday, then your name is out of the picture, and we'll have another random drawing at 4 o'clock Saturday, the following day, Saturday afternoon. And we will pick another winner, and we'll go through the same routine. We'll go through that routine until a random winner is picked, and I have an address to send the stick to. Sorry, but I cannot extend this contest out forever, waiting on to be contacted by someone, because I want to give a stick away. So congratulations, Mike, and I sincerely hope you will contact me via email with your mailing address so I can get that out to you. And for now, I guess I've explained it pretty well, that there'll be another drawing if not contacted by Mike Sears 3990. For all practical purposes, we're done with this video. I appreciate every one of you for subscribing, and there'll be another announcement for another giveaway in the future. I don't know exactly how many subscribers that's going to be. I may even get another one at 7,500, somewhere before the 10,000 mark. I'm thinking now it'll be the 10,000 subscriber mark to give away another walking stick. I may even, next time, I may even make it, I'm considering giving away, doing 2 random names and giving away 2 walking sticks. And so that'll be in the future. Will be announced. So until then, I hope to see you in another video. thumbs up for this one, and please subscribe if you haven't already, because I want to see you here again. Thanks for watching.